Hi everyone, today I will show you how to control the Arduino delay using the actual time using Python. Like if you see here, we have the time, the real time right now, okay? So I need this time to control the Arduino. So the time here now it's 2 and 6 p.m. So like I will come to this function, I will make it as 8 and here 09 and here it's 08. That means on the minute 8 like make the LED high, 9 make it low. So yeah, let's run and let's open this one. We said 8 and 9, yeah. Like of course you can like use the date, like if you want the Arduino to run like in one day, like in maybe 2022, like it will run in 2022, but you need to let this you need to open the program before that time, okay? So as you see here, the LED is high. It will like keep high for 1 minute, then it will go to low. So this is the project of today. It's very simple, but like you can use it with very big projects. Like here, if you see the frame, the frame's color did change, so you can use the time to change the colors or the styles in the thick interframe. So we are waiting to the minute 9 to put the Arduino to low. Yeah, so as you see here, now the LED is low. So yeah, that's it. It's very simple. Like if we see the Arduino code here, what we will see, like I will see this LED is to number to pin 12, and I said if I got you got F from the serial, put the LED to high, and if I put it to like X, it's another letter, put it to low. So if you see here, like if the minute is 9, change the color. If the minute is 8, change the color and send F to the serial, to the Arduino. If it's 9, return the background to gray and send X to the Arduino. And this function, it will run like every 10 milliseconds, I think, and that's it. So you need this run function. You need to make the after function or after method, because you need the program to run like over time, to not stop, okay? So in this run, you will see the time is ticking on the frame. You see here the time is, it's not like a fixed time, it's a dynamic time. So yeah, that's it, that's all. And of course you need the serial, date time and tick enter. And that's all for today. Thank you so much.